Are you ready to take your TikTok experience to the next level? With Story Mode, you can share spontaneous moments, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and daily updates that vanish after 24 hours, perfect for connecting authentically with your audience. Getting started with Story Mode is easier than you think, and anyone can do it. Whether you have a personal or business account, first, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. New features like Story Mode sometimes roll out gradually, so updating ensures you have the most recent tools at your fingertips. Once you're set, open the app and tap that familiar plus sign at the bottom of your screen. Among your video and photo options, look for Story. If you see it, congratulations! You're moments away from sharing your first story. Tap Story and capture a photo or video. Remember, you've got up to 15 seconds, so keep it short and sweet. Get creative with TikTok's editing tools. Add text, stickers, filters, or effects to make your story pop. Once you're happy with your creation, hit Post to Story. Your content will be live for 24 hours, appearing right at the top of feeds, ready to engage your followers in real time. If you're looking for a twist, try TikTok's Flip Stories. This feature lets you upload a second side to your story, which your audience can unlock for an extra dose of fun and interactivity. Just select Flip Story after tapping the plus button, then upload 2 pieces of content. Your viewers will love the surprise. If you don't see Story Mode yet, don't worry. Availability can vary by region, but TikTok is expanding access all the time. Keep your app updated and check back regularly. At Famety, we know that fresh, engaging content keeps your followers coming back for more. Embrace Story Mode to showcase your brand's personality, drive engagement, and build authentic connections, one story at a time.